And the first part is 42 into 92 plus 8 multiplied by 542. Now, what is your A in the data? We will make the data first. Look, in the question, 542 is towards the left of addition and towards the right of addition. So the quantity which we are distributing towards both the sides of addition is the quantity to which we will give the variable A. So 542 is your A, and your B and C are B is 92 and C is 8. Now, by putting all these values in the formula given above, we will get the answer A into B plus C in the bracket. So what is A? A is 542, as I have given you the data, multiply by what is B? B is 92. 92 plus C is 8. Now solve. 542 multiply by, you will solve the quantities inside the bracket first. 92 plus 8 gives you 100. Now, in the next step, we will multiply 542 with 100, and to get our answer, 54200. As we are doing multiplication of 100, so add 2 zeros to the very right side, and then 1 2 is 2, 1 4 is 4, and 1 5 is 5. Single line multiplication by the hundreds and tens. Okay, I'm giving you again the explanation of the same part. This is the first part of question number 6. And attendance time is over, so hurry up, children. I'll not add the children after this time period. So you will be marked absent in the class. In class red, purple, and orange, respectively. Okay, children, I'm explaining the first part again. The question was find the value using property. I've said it before that the head, change the heading of question, find the value of using value of, we will say that instead of find the value of, we will say find the value using property, because we are using which property? The distributive property of multiplication over addition, which has got the formula A into B plus C. So we have the values in the first part, 542 multiplied by 92 plus 8 into 542. Now, addition is in the center, and we are distributing 542 towards left and right of addition sign. So 542 will be our A, and B is 92, 8 is equal to C. So we have got A, B, C, 3 variables in the formula. A, B, C, values 542, 92, and 8. Now, by putting these all values in the formula A into B plus C, we will get our answer. So, in the bracket, we are doing solution, whatever the function inside the bracket is. Here we are adding B plus C first. So 92 plus 8 gives you 100, and 542 is multiplying with 100. So gives us 54200. This is the answer. 54,200 is your answer. So this is the first part of question number 6. Hope you are doing it with me. We will do the second part now. Second part is the values are 365 into 99 So 99 with the different color, 99. Add it to, again, 365, 365. So you don't have C in this case. Addition is in the center. And you will multiply 365 by 1. You know the property of 1 as when we multiply any number with 1, we will get the same number. So there's no change in the number. We can multiply it with 1, 365 with 1 to make our C as 1. So what is A in the formula? A is 365, B is 99, and C is 1. The formula is A into B plus C, distributive property. A into B plus C is the formula. 365, मैं तो बहुत bold लिख रही हूँ with the marker. You must see B value is 99 and C is 1. So add up the values and get the answer. 365 multiplied by 100. 99 plus 1 is 100 again. So do the multiplication. So by putting the values 365 into 99 plus 1, 1 is C, 99 is B, and 365 जो कि addition की दोनों side पे है, that is your A. So 365 into 99 plus 1, 99 plus 1 in the bracket, solve it first. 99 plus 1 is 100. 365 into 100 gives you 36,500 as your answer. To the second part. This is the second part of your question. The third part is 6 multiplied by 612 plus 4 into 612. Now addition in the center. This sign is in the center of all these four quantities. So what is your A? A is 612 because towards the left and right, both the one quantity 612 is repeatedly, we are going to solve it towards the both side of addition. So this must be A, and B is 6 and C is 4. So by the formula, A into B plus C. What is A? A is 612, B is 6, and C is 4. So by putting the values, 612 multiplied by B is 6 plus 4 gives you 6 plus 4 is 10. Solve it first because both the quantities are in the bracket. Now, by doing the multiplication, you will get 6,120 as your answer. 0, 1, 2 is 2, 1, 1 is 1, 1, 6 is 6. 6,120 is your answer to the third part. And this is the last part of question. Now question 7 is there. State whether the following are true or false. So in the book, all the true false are given. We are going to explain, I'm going to explain all these true false to you people. The first one is 16 divided by 4 divided by 2 equals 16 divided by 4 divided by 2 in the bracket. So towards the both sides, the bracket, we are altered the given bracket. but division is there, so the property does not hold in division, so the statement is false. First part is false. Question is 7. Second part. 4 multiplied by 5 into 6, distributive property. No. 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6 is there. This is associative property. 4 multiplied by 5 in the bracket multiplied by 6. True. Because associative property of multiplication is there. Both the sides are equal. When we solve them, we will get the equal answer towards both the sides. The statement is true. Second part. Third part. Third part is 3 into 4 plus 1. 3 into 4 plus 1 equals 3 into 5. Look at the answer towards both the sides. So by the rule DMAS, we are doing division first, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So what to do here towards the left side? The multiplication first. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. And to the right side, 3 fives are 15. So 14 is not equal to 15. Therefore, the statement is false. When you get the same answer to both the sides, the statement will be true. When you get different answers to both of the side of equation, you will say the statement is false. Fourth part. Fourth part is 20 plus 10 divided by 2. First, you will do division. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And 20 plus 5 is 25 towards the left hand side. Right hand side pe aa jaye. 30 divided by 2 gives you 15. So 25 is not equal to 15. The statement is false. 5. Fifth part is 5 divided by 0 is equal to 5. This is false. Because any number divided by 0 is 0. 0 divided by 4 is 0. True. Sixth part. True. Seventh part is saying 5 divided by 5 is 1. True. Any number divided by itself gives you 1. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 4 divided by 12. False. So children, do both the questions upon your notebook and revise 6 question again and again. Using the property, you will get the understanding. I'll take the test of this question, only this question first. And so do the practice of this question on your notebooks. So for today, I think this is more than enough. I'm giving you the time for the questions. So please ask some questions if you have any queries. So I'm explaining again part 1 of question number 6. So listen. 554 multiplied by 92 plus 8 into 554. 554 is the quantity. 542, sorry. 542 into 92 plus 8 into 542. 542 दोनों एडिशन के दोनों साइड पे है, इसलिए हम इसको एक क्वांटिटी हमारी डाटा में बनेगी, क्योंकि ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रहा है 92 के साथ भी और 8 के साथ भी. So this is our A. B is 92, C is 8. 3 क्वांटिटीज हैं. एक क्वांटिटी दोनों साइड पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रही है एडिशन के, because this is distributive property of multiplication over addition. That's why one number is repeating towards both the sides. That will be our A. If A is 542, B is 92, C is 8, look at the question. The formula is A into B plus C. So by putting the values 542 into B is 92 plus 8 is C in the bracket. So we will solve both the quantities in the bracket first. Add up 92 to 8, you will get 100. So multiply this 100 with 542, you will get 542 multiplied by 100, 54,200 as your answer. This is the answer. Understood? In the second part, we have three quantities, but there is an addition sign and the third quantity is missing. For that, I have chose 1 for the C because when we multiply 1 with 365, there is no change in 365. So you can write down C as your 1. 365 is A. एडिशन की दोनों साइड पे 365 आ रहा है, सो ये आपका ए होगा. बी आप 99 को कहेंगे और सी के लिए आपने 1 चूज किया है बिकॉज 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं जब आप 365 के साथ तो आपके नंबर में कोई चेंज नहीं आती, इसलिए आप 1 को सी को 1 ले सकते हैं. सो फॉर्मूला है ए इंटू बी प्लस सी, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओवर एडिशन. B plus C 99 plus 1. You will add up both the quantities, you will get 100. Then A is 365. Multiply 100 with 365, you will get 36,500 as your answer. Then the third part was 6 into 612 plus 4 into 612. अब एडिशन की दोनों साइड पे जो क्वांटिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रही है वो 612 है, जो सेम नंबर है. ये आपका ए होगा, 6 को आप बी ले लें और 4 को आप सी कह लें. सो फॉर्मूला अगेन डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी का 6a इंटू बी प्लस सी है. बी आपका 6 है और सी आपका 4 है. तो बाय पुटिंग ऑल दीज वैल्यूज, ये डाटा आपने बना लिया था, ये डाटा है आपका. ग्रीन में जो भी लिखा हुआ है वो आपका बी प्लस सी है. ठीक है, ये दो क्वांटिटीज है. A इंटू बी प्लस सी आपका फॉर्मूला है. सो 612 आपका ए दोनों साइड पे जो क्वांटिटी एडिशन की दोनों साइड पे लेफ्ट और राइट साइड पे जो भी सेम नंबर होगा वो आपका ए होगा. बाकी दो नंबर्स को आप बी और सी बना लें. फिर a इंटू बी प्लस सी में हम वैल्यूज लगाते हैं. a 612 है, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 प्लस 4. 6 प्लस 4 प्लस करें तो आपके पास 10 वैल्यू आती है. 612 को आप 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 6120, which is your answer. These were the three parts of question number 6 in the book.